Introducing the Eflator Mini Digital Pump. Inside the box, you'll find the Eflator unit, an instruction manual, adapters for different types of valves, a USB charging cable, and a small carry bag. Let's inflate a bicycle tire with a Presta valve. Be sure that the valve is open and that air can pass freely through the valve. To power up the unit, hold down the power button for 3 seconds. To set your target pressure, hold down the plus or minus button, and when you get close, give it a few single pushes to hit the exact value you want. Push the unit onto the valve. You'll see the pressure measurement in real time, and single push the power button to start inflation. The inflator will auto-stop when you reach your desired pressure. Then push the power button for 3 seconds to power down the unit. If you have a Schrader valve, the operation is the same. Inflation is easy if you have balls or other inflatables. Look for the recommended pressure near the valve, and the inflator will always stop at the pressure you set. Check your battery life at the top right corner. To charge the battery, use the supplied USB cable with any suitable USB input that you already own. Double press the plus button if you need a light, and double press the minus button to swap between imperial and metric units. When you're on the go, use the drawstring bag to keep your Eflator clean.